Hello, my name is Jose Martinez and I'm affected with the Mandela effect. I'm sorry I have the comments off. It's because I don't feel like fighting with anybody or change anybody's beliefs. These are my own interpretation of the Mandela effect. We are moving, nothing is changing. This air conditioner proves that it was made in 1930s, 1940s, 1950s on cars, air conditioners. I have never ever seen this product before. I did find this one on Eva's Once Upon a Timeline. I want to give her the credit for this Mandela effect. And this is another sample that things are not changing or just appearing. It, it says we are the ones that are moving